Hello friends, in our previous topic of rational numbers, we have studied about the types of numbers, kinds of numbers. Let us recall our information. Here, some numbers are given to us and we have to classify them according to the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let us discuss them. The first one is natural numbers. Among these all numbers, which numbers are natural numbers? The numbers that are counting numbers. We start counting from 1 and do the counting as 1, 2, 3, etc. Means counting begins from 1 and goes like this. From here, 2 is counting number, so it is natural. Then negative is not the counting, it is not counting number. Under root is not counting number. 0 is also not a counting number. Next is pi. No, it is not counting number. Under root is not there. Mixed fraction is not. Negative number and a fraction, not counting numbers. Under root 2 is also cancel. Minus is not in the counting. 37 is there. 37 is a counting number. Then fraction, it is also not a natural number, not a counting number. So our natural numbers are 2 and 37. Next is whole numbers. Whole numbers are same as natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then what is the difference? It is of 0. 0 also added to natural numbers. Natural numbers plus 0 makes whole numbers. So in the class of whole numbers we write all the naturals, and then if 0 is there, yes, it is here, 0 is also included and we have got our whole numbers. Next one is integers. Integers are whole numbers like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And the negatives of these, minus 1, minus 2, etc. The numbers that lie on the number line. Number line we already know. It has 0 in the center, positive numbers along right hand side and negative numbers along left hand side. So integers include all the whole numbers. Let us write them. And then the negative numbers like minus 273, then minus 100. It does not include the fractions. So we have got our integers like this, all whole numbers and the negative numbers. Next is rational numbers, which is our topic. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. They include the integers. These all, they are all the rational numbers. Integers are also the rational numbers. And which else numbers are left? The fractions. Here, it can be a mixed fraction like this, minus 47 upon 73 and 1 upon 5. These are all rational numbers, the integers and the fractions. Lastly, irrational numbers include those numbers which are not written in any category, neither natural, whole, integers nor rationals. So irrationals are under root digits, under root 15, under root 3, under root 2 and this one, the pi. They are all irrational numbers. In this way we can distinguish between all kinds of numbers, types of numbers. Let us proceed further with the questions. We are asked to put tick or cross suitably. Means here 4 questions of true false are given. We are discussing them now. First, every whole number is not a natural number. The whole numbers, they were 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are whole numbers. And among these 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., they are naturals. Question is, every whole number is not natural. Every whole number is not natural. 0 is there. It is whole number but not a natural number. It means every whole number is not natural because of this 0. So this statement is correct. Second, every integer is a rational number. Integers, we know, are the numbers that lie on number line. Center is 0. This side it contains positive numbers and left hand side is negative numbers. Suppose we take 7, then 0, then -7. Then can we write them in P by Q form? Yes. By writing 1 in the denominator, we have made it in the form of P by Q or the form of rational numbers. So every integer can be written in the form of rational numbers. It is true. Next, 0 is a rational number. Yes, we have seen it in the second part. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So 0 is rational. It is true. Last one, square root of positive integer is irrational number. Positive integer. Suppose we take positive integer 2, 3, 4. Now their square root like this. Square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4. It has no particular value. It is under root 2, under root 3. The perfect value of under root 4 is plus 2 or minus 2. The square root of 4 is plus 2 or minus 2. It means these are perfect numbers, proper integers. The square root of some positive integers like root 4, similarly root 9, it has the value plus or minus 3. They are rationals. These are rational numbers. So, square root of positive integers is irrational. This statement is wrong. It is not correct. Now we proceed towards next property of rational numbers. And the property is, between two rational numbers a and b, we can find an infinite number of rational numbers. Here we are given two numbers a and b. We can find a large number. We can find an infinite number of rational numbers between these a and b. Suppose we have 0 and 10. How many numbers lie between them? It is 5, 7, 4. Suppose 1, 2, then 4, 1 by 2, then 6, then 6, 1 by 2, 7, 3 by 4, and so many. There are countless numbers between any two given rational numbers. How to find these numbers? There are many methods that we will discuss in our next video. You compare today's properties of rational numbers with your course book, and for any kind of queries, do contact to us, write to us in our comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and work hard. Bye bye.